seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Here we go. So relaxing.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
Oh well.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Here we go. Woo-hoo! How we do?
We suck.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Oh, we lost. Oh, man.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency.
Where's the yellow car? What?
No, we're not.
Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress.
Yeah, this one we
Calculating
didn't
total
do
enviro
that.
impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay,
20%.
responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
30%.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
40%.
Automated crash avoidance technology
Have
disengaged.
all the lights on.
Displaying responsiveness data.
Same.
Here comes the final test.
Now for the barrier test.
Energizing for power test.
Here we go. Woo! It's fun to be free. I didn't smile for the camera.
I think I blinked.
Oh well.
My hair's all over.
Oh well. Woo!
It's so bright out.
It is.
Red, look. That.
Oh, what
Look at
is
my
that?
hair.
That's new.
Look at my hair.
Displaying power test results.
We're not even up there
SimTrack
yet.
No, we're not
performance
even on
testing
there.
complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark.
Wait till we actually get at the
Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.